So hello, I have here a fantastic example of the Hommel UWG. This is the number 2 version, the bigger size. And they were made till 1975. And this one, with the model number, I can calculate it's from around 1970, produced in Germany. Superior quality of the technique and of the materials used. I'm a fan. I'm really enthusiastic. If you have a small place and you want do a lot of different things on a 1 square meter, then this is a very interesting machine. This is an extreme set with a lot of accessories. The amount of possibilities is enormous. The things which you can make. It comes with the original documentation. There's a lot of documentation which I also want to show. So here's the book, and the book is comes with a lot of pictures to show all the possibilities. So you can use it as a lathe. And this you can turn conical. You can use it as a milling machine. You can use it as a grinding machine. You can use it for with an automatic feed. Here is a situation where you need to use it as a lathe, but then much bigger parts. And so this is all these accessories here are included. Let's zoom in there. So here, every accessory have a number. So this accessory with the dividing table, the 4-jaw chuck, and this special tool holder, you can make balls, a concave, and also the other shape. Let's zoom to show that. So there are possibilities with this machine which no other machine have. Here's the grinding spindle, which is included. So there's a grinding spindle. This was a very expensive accessory in that time. So this is, there's many more documentation with a lot of pictures and information about it. This is the feed, the automatic feed with the different speeds, which you see there. It comes with the colored set. So I'm going to show some of the accessories. I cannot show everything. It will be a whole day video. So this is a full collet set. The whole machine and the accessories are in a fantastic condition, especially when you look at the age. So this is the original boring and facing head with the collet. Here's the rotary table, dividing table. Yeah, I think it's difficult to find one in such a beautiful condition. It looks like it's almost never used. Really, really beautiful, so well made and super smart. You can put the really big 4-jaw chuck on this. And then the technicians from Hommel, they imagine this part here to put under the 4-jaw chuck to make it stiff, so it fits here, and it makes it super rigid. And so the handle of the dividing goes in here, the brake, and here you can use it. Oh. Yeah, I want to show some of the chucks. This is the 4-card chuck, 80 millimeters. This is for the Hommel, with the dividing on the side. And these jaws, they are reversible, and it have some smart mechanism, so you can move them, the chucks, in and out, easy, and rotate. And then when you wrote first, nothing happened, and then later on they move this little bit. And you see a pin coming out here, which gives you the information how to use it. This is a very high quality chuck, very expensive. Yeah, this is the good old original Klopfer. Steel with the correct mounting plate. Yeah, to create your own mounting plate, there's a thread cutter included with the correct thread, so you can make your own parts to fit on the turning headstock. This is the high-speed grinder. And there's also the grinding motor. There's 3 motors included in this set. So there's the grinding motor, and there's 2 motors for the milling and the turning. They are already installed, and they all come with a switch, left and right. Yeah, there's the small cross table, very good condition, and there's the big cross table. Then I need to take the telephone to walk there. This is the big one. They come with these kind of holders for micrometers. Also, they use the end blocks, the gouges, for the accurate measurement. And there's also a set to have an end stop. So you can also put these ones, like if you have repetitive work. So there's the number for the set, 1289.2, and this number comes back in the set. Yeah, this is a pleasure. It's absolutely fantastic to rotate this. They did a really great job in making these cross slides. They must have been so expensive to make. And there's a lot of flexibility and possibilities. So also here they made special blocks which you can put under the cross slide to make them more stiff. And zoom out. These are the 2 blocks to do that. Yeah, I wanted to show the number. Let's walk to this side. I saw the number somewhere here. Yeah, there it is. There's a serial number. From this number you can see when it was built. And I remember the number was also on the bed somewhere. Where it was? Oh yeah, there. Also. Yeah, these are the switches for the motor, left and right. The motor can be used on both sides, so this is lower speed here with a reduction set. Yeah, this is the automatic feed. There's another motor to connect with this one. With this one you can lower the whole milling head assembly, and you can see that on the clock. Now it goes up and now it goes down. And you can also move the head with this handle here. Yeah, there's endless amount of details. Here's a lamp. This is not the original lamp, but from the same time. It goes here with a magnetic feed, so I didn't need to drill any holes in the column. Yeah, the only part which was really used is the milling vise. You can see on the paint. It was under the previous owner used it under his drill press, and yeah, the machine itself he never used so much. And the story is that the machine was first owned by a company in Germany who made music instruments for churches, like the big, yeah, I don't know the English word, piano kind of instruments. And then it went to a hobbyist, and this guy almost never used it. So this is the history of the machine. Yeah, but to show more, there's a complete gear set over there with a lot of gears and all kinds of accessories and possibilities. There's the big and the small milling table. There's an extra set of collets here. These are not original, and these are just if you need, yeah, if you want to connect your cutting tool close to the milling head and don't lose any space there, you can use these. But as I said, they are not from Hommel. I don't think they delivered it with the set, so that's a later on addition. The original collet set is complete and is there. There are a couple of holders here. Sorry for the quick movement. These are all holders to put the collets from the lathe. You can put in. I think there are 2 holders included, so they go in here. Yeah, I'm doing this now with one hand. Yeah, a quick change tool holder. There's the boring and facing head, so there are 2 of them. This is the one which is balanced, and it even comes with the original key, which mostly is missing. Yeah, there's an extra tailstock, and what I want to show more, this item here, this is possible to put directly in the tailstock with the rotating, or the live center you call it. So this is one option, and the other live center goes into the pinole of the tailstock. So wow, what more to say? Yeah, there's another headstock for the lathe. It's a little bit different than the one which is on the machine bed. It comes with a centering microscope, and this one also is with light. I checked it, it's concentric. Yeah, this is a beautiful option to move your milling head sideways on a slide. Yeah, I've shown a lot. This is a nice detail. This is for thread cutting. And even there's a possibility for this knob is for if you want to have double thread. So that's very specific. But yeah, it was a very expensive item in 1975. Yeah, I also understand why, because it's really beautiful made. I leave it with this. This is already 16 minutes. It's really long for me. And thank you for watching. Maybe I will make another video later.